Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamer channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to disable WhatsApp linked devices and secure your WhatsApp account. So guys, for that, go to your WhatsApp. Now tap on the three dot icon. Tap on linked devices. And if here you have any devices added and you want to unlink from your linked devices list, then you have to tap and log out to disconnect the devices your WhatsApp account. Now if you want to secure your account, then to go back, again tap on the three dot icon. Now tap on settings, tap on account, tap on two-step verification, tap on turn on. Now you have to enter here 6-digit PIN that you can remember. You have to confirm your PIN again. Now you have to enter here an email address to reset the PIN if you forget it, or you can skip it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching the video.